Allow me to introduce myself. I am Muslim. If you didn't already know, I got love for Allah and all His creatures, big and small. Love runs through my veins, but all you see is hate on my face. You see my hijab and go back to the tragedy. A picture says 1,000 words, but a hijab can tell up to 1,000 stories. Beneath it all, I'm just like everyone. I am the fear that runs our lives, the happiness that keeps us going, the joy to reach it all, and the bravery that takes us through the day. Just like you, I feel the emotions, the dreams, and the determinations to make it through life. But you look beyond all of that and stick to what's on the surface and what the media propagandizes. They make Islam equal hate and Muslims equal terrorists. You read one news article and you feel like you know me. Sum me up in a word or two, justify me by the words that are written, not spoken. Get this, did you know that Islam is the most peaceful religion? We wake up with Allah's names on our tongues, and when we go to sleep, we do the same. We forgive all who have wronged us and pray for all to do the same. But no, all you see is the massacres of 9/11, a tragic tale of twisted men stamped on our foreheads and identified us as the perpetrators, blaming the nation rather than the individual who has ceased to cause all of the heartache. When a man of this nation sins, he is hidden from the world, but a man from our nation sins, he is put out into public, guilty till proven innocent. That's not the America I read about. Sinners are sinners and should be prosecuted the same. But then again, can't believe everything you read, right? Because history tells us of how this country came to be. Were the Europeans terrorists for claiming this land? Were they executed in public for the extinction of a clan? Were they looked down upon for disgracing a race? They whipped, chained, deceived many in their line of power, putting fire to what was and destroying what could have been. But no. They were praised for starting a judgment-free land. When I walk outside, all I get is nothing but glares of hatred. Maya Angelou had it right, a phenomenal woman, but not on this Muslima. They look at me with fear in their eyes as if I had a time bomb hiding under my hijab, as though my beauty does not exist. Allow me to introduce myself. I am not what the media looks at for shame. I am not the image they portray. I am not the one that's terrorizing others as though I were flying that plane. But I am the one they blame. I am Muslim, if you didn't already know.